Hey everybody, this is Mike Kim from MikeKim.tv, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the basics of setting up and using your new WordPress blog. So I'm going to pull up my browser here. I'm on Google Chrome, and this is a real blog that I've actually got to build out. So you're going to be with me step by step on a real live site. So I'm going to type in my username, and I've got my password already. So I'm going to log in into the back end of this brand new blog that I just set up. So the system's taking a little bit of time getting me into the back end, and you're going to see that this is all I've got. I mean, this is the stock template, if you will. So just to show you what it looks like on the front end, which is what the user will see, I'm going to go over here to the left-hand corner and click Visit Site. Now I'm still logged into WordPress, but this is what my blog looks like to the rest of the world. So if I want to get back into the back end, you can see that my blog and just another WordPress site, these are all the standard, I guess, copy, I guess you would say, okay, the standard stuff that comes stock with the site. So to get back into my back end, I'm going to mouse over here and hit Dashboard. And before we get into posting a blog post or any of those other things, I'm going to walk you through some of the basics in terms of setting it up. So let's say that you want to change your name, the name of your blog right here, my blog. All you do is go down, mouse over here to settings, and you hit general, and you'll see kind of a couple of fields here. So I'm just going to type in a couple of things here, and let's just hit save. And as soon as you do that, you're going to see the changes reflected right here. There you go. I typed in marketing, and so if I want to go back and double check and visit my site, you can see here that this information has changed again through that general tab and the information that I enter. Okay, I'm going to get back into the dashboard here, and I will kind of cover two things in this real short video. Number one, just how to upload a theme, and then number two, some basics about plugins. So let's start with a theme, just so that you get an idea of what's involved and how you install all of that stuff. So to install a theme, I'm going to mouse up here to Appearance, and I'm just going to simply highlight Themes. And if you have a theme that you've purchased from a third-party site or anything like that, this is where you add it. Okay, you can go to Add a New Theme, and I'm going to install a couple of themes that I have. What I'm going to do, because I have them on file, I'm going to hit Upload. And doing that leads me to this prompt. I can install a theme in zip format, which is how I downloaded it from the site that I bought it from. I'm going to choose, and it's going to take me to my Dropbox. And I use Genesis themes quite a bit. So I'm going to highlight Genesis first, and I'm going to install that because that's going to be the main theme. And then I'm going to install a child theme. So I just pick Genesis, hit Install Now. If I want to activate it, WordPress does that. It says that this one is active, and if we go back to the front end of the site, you can see now my theme has changed. Now the title of my site is still here and what I changed it to, but you can see the layout of the site has changed. Now I'm going to go back into the back end, into the dashboard, and go back to Appearance and then Themes, and I'm going to upload a child theme for Genesis. The same way, I'm just going to hit Add New. I'm going to upload this because I have it on file. I'm going to choose my file, and I'm going to upload the Executive Pro theme, which is also in zip format. That's one of the real convenient things about WordPress. I can just install this as is. Don't need to unzip the file and install things manually. So that's loading up, and it's saying that the theme is installed successfully. I'm going to activate that theme. And boom, that theme is active. So let's take a look on the front end again. And you're going to see now that my layout has changed again. Now this is the Executive Pro theme from StudioPress. So that's all that's involved in terms of uploading a new theme that you get. Now let's go back into the dashboard, and I'm going to talk real quick about plugins and just show you simply how to install them. Now plugins are just little things that are third-party created that just sort of add things to your site. There are millions of them out there for a million different purposes, but I'm going to start with a plugin that I highly recommend, and this should come. This should just be standard for anyone who's blogging. So go to the plugins tab, and you're going to go to Add New. And the great thing about this is you can search the entire WordPress universe for plugins, but I'm going to look for a plugin that's very popular called SEO Yoast. SEO Yoast, and this plugin is a great search engine optimization plugin. So it pulls up just by keyword here, and this is actually the one that I want, WordPress SEO by Yoast. And you can see it's very, very highly rated, one of the most popular plugins for SEO, search engine optimization. So I'm simply going to hit install now, asking me if it's okay to install. And I'm going to install that. Wait for it to load. And you can see here that the plugin has been installed. It has automatically unpacked the package. It has installed the plugin, and now all I want to do is activate the plugin. And you're going to see down here, there's nothing there, but as soon as I update this plugin, the SEO, it pulls up right here. And what SEO plugins do, this SEO plugin in particular, helps you optimize your blog posts with keywords and headlines and the blog URL to make sure they're all pretty tight, hone in, and make it real easy for people to find your blog post based on the keywords that you enter for your subject. So that's it so far. The next video, I'm going to cover a little bit about how to use this SEO plugin as we get into how to post your first blog post. Okay?